New around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to check out these hot 2022 short haircut ideas. So the first one features this gorgeous blue mullet. If you guys didn't already know, the mullet is definitely in for 2022, and I love the fact that she dyed her hair this bold blue. And then next we see these gorgeous pixie haircut variations. This one is a faded cut pixie. And it looks like this one is going to be more of a classic pixie shape. So she does have kind of that side swept bang look with this one. Gorgeous. Very pretty. And then next up, look like she is cutting the hair herself. I think she might be getting some type of bob with this one. Wow, I take that back. Looks like she might be getting some type of shaven cut. Oh wow, so she ended up getting an undercut bob. That was really cute. And then moving into our next hair transformation, looks like she's going to be getting some type of undercut style as well. Alright, so it looks like she's actually getting a pixie. So far the shape is absolutely gorgeous. She does have that bowl shape with the bangs in the front. Gorgeous. Love the volume that she has. And then here looks like another pixie haircut transformation. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. She has a lot of texture in the hair as well, a lot of volume. Very pretty. So next up, we're going to see how to style a pixie cut. So she has a nice little short blonde one. So if you are thinking about cutting your hair and you want to know how to curl it, or if you already have short hair and you want to know how to curl it, make sure you grab a flat iron or curling iron that has a very small opening. This will just allow you to curl your hair. So she's creating kind of like a wavy texture with this. And she does have an undercut with this in the back as well. So she's using the same method in the back portion of the hair, adding those little curls. And this just created a nice little fun kind of messy undercut style. Love that hair color that she has. And she does add some hairspray to hold to keep the curls lasting throughout the day. Very cute. I love the messiness of this too. And her makeup is so fresh and clean. Ooh, I love this peach colored pixie. This is so gorgeous. This is such a unique bomb color. It's like a rose gold peach blonde. Rose gold peach kind of tone to it. All right, so it looks like we're going to see another transformation. So I'm thinking she's probably getting a pixie with this one as well. Pixies are just so in right now. Like everyone is cutting their hair into a pixie cut. So it looks like the stylist is leaving quite a bit of hair in the top portion of the hair. This is perfect for allowing the client to still be able to play around with bangs and different styles and things of that nature. And I would definitely say that this is more of a traditional pixie cut. Hopefully we get to see the front of the hair as well. This looks really pretty. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. Be sure to give this video a like if you did, and I will see you in the next one.